Sensex Soars, over 1,000 points, as banking giants. Fuel market rally. India's stock market witnessed a strong rally on Monday, with the Sensex surging over 1,000 points and the Nifty climbing past 24,150, marking their highest levels since January 6th. This marks the fifth straight session of gains, driven by positive sentiment in the banking sector. A key catalyst behind the rally was the impressive Q4 earnings from major private lenders ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank, both of which hit record highs. Their robust performance reassured investors about the sector's financial health and profitability. Another major factor was the weakening of the US dollar, which supported foreign fund inflows and boosted investor confidence. Broader market indices also participated in the uptrend, reflecting widespread optimism. Analysts believe continued strength in corporate earnings and favorable global cues could sustain the market momentum in the near term.